Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is ecofeminism. So what is ecofeminism? Ecofeminism is a philosophical and political movement that links feminism and environmentalism. It highlights how the exploitation of nature and the oppression of women are interconnected, both rooted in capitalist systems. There are some key beliefs of ecofeminism. First is nature is not something to dominate but to live in harmony with. And women, especially in the global south, have a closer connection to the environment due to their traditional roles in agriculture, water collection, and food preparation. So, modern industrialism and capitalism treat both women and nature as resources to be exploited. Who is Vandana Shiva? A leading ecofeminist, Vandana Shiva is an Indian scholar, environmental activist, food sovereignty advocate, and a prominent ecofeminist thinker. There are some key ideas of Vandana Shiva in ecofeminism: women and nature connection. Shiva believes women have historically played a central role in preserving biodiversity and ecosystems. She says modern science and capitalist agriculture ignore this contribution and instead it destroys the environment. Vandana says women in sense economies who produce life are not productive in the patriarchal economic model, but they are the real producers of strength and biodiversity. There are critics of Western science. She critiques Western reductionist science of being disconnected from nature. She promotes traditional knowledge systems, especially those held by indigenous women, as more sustainable and holistic. Navdanya Movement and Seed Sovereignty. Navdanya is an organization she founded to promote. There are some keys: biodiversity conservation, organic farming, farmer rights, and seed saving. Shiva argues that patents on seeds by corporations like Monsanto turn life into property, harming small farmers and biodiversity. Monoculture versus diversity. Shiva opposes monocultures, one crop farming, saying they destroy ecological balance. She supports biodiversity and community based farming where women are central caretakers of seed soil. Feminism in the Global South stresses that women in the Global South are not just victims but agents of change in political movements. Her ecofeminism isn't just theoretical, it's activist grounded in rural India. Some books where she has been written about feminism. Books by Vandana Shiva: Feminism, Staying Alive, Women Ecology and Development, 1988. Core text: Ecofeminism, explaining how women's work and environmental sustainability are interlinked. Earth, Democracy, Justice, Sustainability and Peace advocates for living in harmony with the earth and respecting all forms of life. Still, her impact in environmental issues with justice remains globally influential. Summary table theme: Vandana Shiva's point of view. Nature, living interconnected, not to be exploited. Women, custodians of biodiversity, food and seeds. Capitalism, root cause of ecological destruction. Global South, traditional eco-wisdom. Agriculture, sport, organic farming. Science, probabilistic indigenous knowledge. Critique of Vandana Shiva. There are some critics argue she is anti-technology or romanticizes traditional roles of women. Others point in inconsistencies in science versus activism.